and welcome back to the channel. So today is Sunday and we are going out and like it's been 2 years, so now I'm going to drive the Creta. So now we are in the car and just got it from the parking and going out. So I'm editing this video right now, so I have some other work, so I was editing and I thought I'll just add up to some points. So at this point it is actually Sunday and I and some of my family members had gone out to buy some food like mutton, chicken and everything, and the day ended there itself. And so now which you'll see is the next day, that is on Monday. And Monday I had to, I got a chance to visit my uncle's plant, which is in Bhimavaram. It is a marine factory. So I did not want to dress up everything, that mask, headgear, this safety goggles, and then all the coat, this much, it's around 2 feet of this gum boots and everything. And then outside it was around 43 degrees. So going from 43 degrees to around 18 degrees and then coming back and everything, I'll have a severe headache. So I thought, why take up that initiative and everything? So I just went around the plant and saw all those stuff, and you see uncle's plant right now, and there's the Creta I was driving. And now I'm going to a plant which is under construction, and I'll show you what's going on. See you there. Now we are going inside a feed mill. So after a visit to the feed mill, so I was really tired and did not feel like going to my uncle's company once again. So what we did was, he and I went back home straight, and after that it was Monday, right? So Tuesday again we came back to Visakhapatnam, like the story which all you were seeing, that is in Bhimavaram, and it is a story of before 2 weeks. So actually I did not get the time to edit the video, and I even did not get the time to end the video. So I'm doing everything right now. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you stay tuned. See you later. Bye bye.